Alright, so I've done my fair share of making fun of RGB, I'm pretty sure we all have, but what if you want to include a little bit of RGB in your build? There's nothing wrong with it as long as you don't overdo it, but where do you start if you're on a tight budget? How about this 3-pack of RGB fans for just 25 bucks? They don't look that bad. Let's get into it. Hey, welcome to Zach's Tech Turf. Today we're going to be checking out this 3-pack of RGB fans that only cost 25 bucks from CloverTale. And if you want to see more PC component reviews or PC building videos, then hit that subscribe button down below and also that notification bell. That way you never miss an episode. But yeah, let's check these things out. This 3-pack of RGB fans from CloverTale was definitely a tough choice to make, as there are many options on Amazon for around the same price. After a ton of research, way more time than I personally wanted to spend researching RGB, I feel like these are the best bang for your buck. Alongside of the 3 RGB fans is a fan hub where you can connect up to 10 of these things if you really wanted to, a remote controller, a Molex adapter that goes from your power supply to the hub, and it's supposed to come with screws. The reason why I say it's supposed to come with screws is because that's what the Amazon description said, but instead of screws, I got these stupid little rubber grommets, and a lot of other people on Amazon said the same thing. I don't know how to use these things, I don't want to use these things, so only order these fans if you have some extra case fan screws laying around. As far as the controller and type of RGB that these fans can do, you can select from a few solid colors and different patterns. You can see that at least on my controller, some of the colors are switched around on the remote. When I press green, they turn red, when I press red, they turn green, etc. This is just something that you have to expect when you buy cheapo products like this on Amazon. I've seen this exact same problem on multiple RGB products that I have laying around the house. Oh my god, I have RGB laying around the house. There's also 2 different preset color modes as well as the full RGB spectrum button in the middle. The S- and S+ buttons control the speed, which I actually didn't expect on a product like this, and the up and down buttons just cycle through all of the different options. Overall, I'm definitely very impressed with how many RGB options are in a product that only costs 25 bucks. I've seen a bunch of other products at this price range, and some of them only include one certain color or even just one color scheme, so these ones are pretty solid. Moving past the RGB goodness, the sound of these is actually more quiet than I thought they would be. They aren't whisper quiet and I don't have a decibel meter to check, but sitting right next to this build, I can barely hear them, which is definitely awesome considering they only run at 100%. Having these fans connected to a Molex connector means that there's only 2 speeds, on and off, but like I said, they aren't loud at all, at least in my opinion. And finally, the last thing that I wanted to touch up on was the cooling performance of these fans, because at the end of the day, they are meant to cool your components. I did benchmark them against other stock PC case fans that I had laying around the house, and all I really want to quickly say is that they're going to perform about the same as those, no better or no worse. You're not going to be buying these budget fans to cool your PC better than your stock case fans, so I really don't feel the need to benchmark them any more than that. If you really want your entire PC to run a little cooler, you're gonna have to spend some money and buy some more expensive fans from a reputable brand. Overall, I think the CloverTale 3-pack of RGB fans is a pretty good buy, provided you're okay with all of its downfalls. My pack didn't come with screws, not sure if yours would be like that as well. They are Molex powered and not PWM, and they aren't going to provide you with better cooling than a stock case fan would. Well, that wraps up my review of the CloverTale RGB fans. Be sure to let me know down in the comment section if you want to see me review other budget, maybe RGB products for your PC. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a like down below to help support my channel, and as always, thank you for watching. And please subscribe for more Zach's Tech Turf videos.